good morning, good afternoon, and good evening, wherever you are. Welcome to another episode of
FilAmstagram!
Today, we're going to show you a little bit of a day in the life in the Rush family. As you may remember from past vlogs, I am pregnant, but because of that, my blood pressure hasn't been very good, and I have had high-risk pregnancy before with Miriam. And so Miriam is here to help me take it easy a little bit by helping me do her laundry. Laundry is one thing that she always wants to do herself, especially her own clothes. So join us as Miriam helps me. Let's go! Alright, so here we are at the washing machine, and we are going to put the clothes in.
I want to put it in.
Yeah, except sometimes, because Miriam is only just turning 4, she has been toilet trained, but sometimes she still pees a little bit when she sleeps. So sometimes she does have a little bit of pee. So I just soak those underwear in baking soda and just let them marinate there for a while. And then put them in the wash.
The mini pants in there.
Okay, go.
No, I want to put it all the way in there.
Now I have to get it because I didn't let her do it. See, this is what we mean when she wants to take charge of everything. Okay, do your stuff. Sometimes we have to repeat things just because we didn't do it her way. Pre-soak this. Go.
What?
Just dump them in there. Well, today. Okay, we'll just have to plug this in. Okay, turn this and then this one.
What do you like about doing the laundry, Miriam?
I just want to do it on the time.
Huh?
On the time because I want to do it of the ways of a 4-year-old.
4-year-old.
Oh, you want to be a big girl.
Yeah, when I'm 4 years old, I have to go bigger.
And you want to do big girl things?
Yeah.
What are you doing? What is that?
The hangers?
Hangers? Oh, you're gonna hang the clothes?
Yeah.
Okay, let's go get the clothes with Nanai, okay? Okay, let's go. Run!
We're gonna get the laundry now.
It's gonna get heavy.
There.
Can you do it?
Yeah.
Are you sure?
Don't hold it.
She doesn't want me to hold it. Okay, boss. Okay, now let's go to the clothesline.
Whoa, you got it up on the bench. Wow.
Yeah, she's strong. She's an Amazon. And now Miriam's gonna help put the clothes on the clothesline.
They did subscribe yet. And thank you, reach the clouds.
You want to reach the clouds?
Yeah.
Yeah.
I got it. Yeah.
You got it. Oh, there's the cloud. A little bit of cloud for you. How about a little bit of sunshine for people, huh? Oh, you're gonna reach the sun?
Yeah.
There you go. I think people would rather have sunshine than clouds.
But I would rather have snow.
Unless the cloud tastes like cotton candy.
This is the subscribe yet. Just thinking about tomorrow. I don't have to do it.
Okay, do this.
I hope the sun comes out today so the clothes can dry.
Yep.
What do you think?
It's gonna come out tomorrow. Then I got
Let your bottoms all up. Perhaps tomorrow there'll be sun.
Yes, they give out tomorrow.
Clears away the cobwebs and the sorrow.
Till there's none.
When you're stuck with a
Yeah, that's great and only I just stuck out my tin and grin and say, oh, it's gonna come out tomorrow. Focus out from hang on till tomorrow.
come what may.
Tomorrow, tomorrow, I love you. Tomorrow, you always a day away.
That's good. Uh-oh. Let me hold on to the bench
Hold
again.
on to the bench. Here it goes. Whoa.
Take this one.
Ah, she likes that one.
Do you actually like doing the laundry, Miriam?
Yeah.
You do? You're a strange little child, aren't you? Or you're a big child. You're a big girl now, huh? I guess that's why you like doing the laundry. I guess it's what you call work and play, huh? Whoa! You have to do some on the other side so it balances the weight out. You know what I mean? Yeah, over there. You know, don't you? How much do you have left? Is there a lot?
Yeah.
Not so much, huh?
I don't want a little bunny that, that's why.
Is it baliktad? I think Nanay washes everything baliktad, huh?
Yeah.
What's your favorite part about doing the laundry?
Because I want to do it. I just don't want this one because it's already broken.
Oh,
It's not
it's broken. Oh, the clip. The, what do you call it? Yeah, that thing.
I don't like that.
Okay. What's your favorite part? Because you like the fresh air?
Yeah.
You like being outside?
Rain, go away.
Say it. Yes. We don't want any rain, right?
Not right now.
Whoa. Swimming in a sea of panties. This is fun.
Did it come yet?
Hey, look, Miriam, we're all done.
High
High
five.
five. High five. To me, not the camera. We're just gonna wait until these clothes dry, and then Miriam's gonna help me put them back in her closet.
No, the clothes are dry.
And it's time to put them in Miriam's drawer. This is her favorite part of it. She is very good at categorizing where the items are supposed to go. Even at the age of 2, she had already been doing this flawlessly. She knows where the shirts go, where the dresses go, where her underwear goes. She has a system all in her mind. That's a dress. Where does it go? I can take those hangers. I can give you the hangers. I'm not keen on folding them anyway because she's just at home. She never goes anywhere. We don't iron her clothes or anything. So just put it in there and save us all the trouble.
Oh, she's folding.
She's actually folding. She has higher standards than I do. Other moms are into Marie Kondo. We're into Miriam Can Do.
This is my one. It was almost broke my nose.
You almost
Almost
broke your nose
Yeah, with holes in it.
with a hanger.
Yeah.
Almost poked an extra hole in your nose.
Yeah. It got stuck in my nose. So it's shorts. A little bit too
What?
too blowy.
Too blowy?
I think you're making it blowy.
I don't think it's the shorts fault that is too blowy. Hey, put it in.
Is it blowy?
Yeah.
So what's your favorite thing about doing the laundry?
It's enough to wash and wash clothes.
The washing part? Really? It looks like this is your favorite part.
I'm fluffing them. I'm fluffing them.
You're fluffing them? So they tickle your butt when you put them on? With style. Maybe your monkey wants that pair of panties. Maybe you can put that on your monkey. Alright.
Yuck, I have to wipe that poopy off.
You wiped the poopy off first?
And this.
Oh! Where did that come from? Now everybody knows what it is. It's a tissue holder.
This is a tissue dispenser. Someone with a
Pull out the
very
tissue.
weird toilet humor actually makes funny of it. So, well, she just put it in. Yeah, as soon as we got her this tissue dispenser, she pulled out all the tissues. She's got a lot of wetted out tissues in there.
You did it. Yay!
Yeah! Is she ready for a baby brother or sister now? Yep.
It was fun watching you ladies do all that laundry work.
Yeah, it's a good thing that Miriam is very much interested in all this housework because moms, we know that we do a lot of things on a daily basis and it's a good idea to involve our kids while they're still young so they grow up into responsible adults. And at the same time, make it a little bit easier for us.
Yeah, and Miriam loves to do different chores around the house. Not just laundry, she loves to sweep up and mop.
Yeah, and set the table and cook rice. Yeah, she does.
Thanks for joining us on another episode today. And as always, don't forget to
subscribe.
subscribe! Sending love from the Philippines!